What's up, y'all? It's your boy KD5 to the 2 on Boost 1019. Boost your love.
James, I love my wife Brianna almost as much as Jesus.
Yo, and even though we grown up, I'm like, so what? Still go nuts when you roll up.
She's my best friend. We were best friends before we got married, and we're even closer friends to this day. She compliments me in every way. We spend every minute we can together.
He got me froze up. God knew what to do when he made you so now. And he chose us, and I love it all from the head down to the toes up.
My special message for Brianna, I love you, Popcorn.
One time for the guys that married up. Two times for the women that hold it down. Three times for that always be around. You got my heartbeat on lockdown. Oh, I want you close to me. You never get old to me. You got my heartbeat on lockdown. Oh, I want you close to me. You never get old to me. You got my heartbeat on lockdown.
You're the sprinkle on my cupcake. What's up, cake? Muffin Mudge. You're baking me crazy. I'm just a stud muffin looking for my cupcake. If you lick the frosting off a cupcake, it becomes a muffin. Muffins are healthy, or at least that's what they tell me. May the frosting be with you.